Hello, 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 hello. It's been a minute. This is my first live stream after my cleanse. I know I need to do a live stream to talk about my cleanse, and I will. But since I'm going to do a little tiny pampering of the skin, I decided I'm going to do it on live. So I want to go ahead and exfoliate my face. I was going to do a mask, but I always do a mask, and I was going to do the pineapple, and I always do the pineapple. So I'm going to do my lemongrass scrub. So that's what I'm going to exfoliate my face with. So stay tuned. So I'm going to wash with the pine tar soap. You always want to wash your face before you exfoliate. So I'm going to wash with the pine tar soap. Here's the pine tar soap. And if you guys watched my Insta stories, you'll see that I did, I did a braid out earlier today. So if you want information on what I used for the braid out, you can watch it on Insta stories, because I don't think I have everything here in front of me. So I'm washing with the pine tar. And if you're needing something to remove your makeup, that's natural. The pine tar soap is really good at that too. Always remember, you want to pat your face. You don't want to wipe it. So we have that. Now I'm going to take a little bit of my lemongrass scrub. Actually, let me clip my hair back so it can get out of my way. And since my face is already a little damp, hello, you take the lemongrass scrub. A lot of people think my scrubs are just for the body, but you can use it on your face and body. So you always want to do it in a gentle circular motion. Hey, how are you? You never want to, it might seem like I'm a little rough here while I'm on live stream, but I promise you, I'm using a soft, gentle motion. And always when you're doing something for your skin, do it in love and not in a rush. You want to really pamper yourself every time you're touching your skin. Under your eyelids, you want to be sure that you're using the middle or the ring finger. That's the thinnest skin on your body. So you want to be sure you're very gentle with that area. Get around the nose. Your chin area tends to hold a lot of sebum. You want to get that area real well. Don't forget above your lips, your nose area, your forehead. Remember, soft and gentle circular rotations. And if you're just joining me, thank you. If you're just joining me, I'm doing exfoliating with my lemongrass scrub. And instead of doing my normal facial mask and my pineapple scrub, the fruit, I decided to do something else. Although I have papaya, so I could have used papaya. Those of you that have dry lips, and needs a little exfoliation on your lips, you can use the scrub for your lips also. And if you mistakenly taste it, it actually tastes really good. Now, I will tell you, don't sit there and keep, tasting it, because there's essential oils in it, but it does taste really good. So give yourself a little scrub and kind of exfoliate everywhere on your face. But it does taste good. So I'm going to kind of pat this off my face, and then I'll give it one rinse. And guys, when you're doing your face, don't forget to do your neck too. If I'm not on live stream, then I really don't have anything covering here, so I'll get the neck also. But your neck is very important. It's part of your, essentially part of your face. Especially if you're using anti-aging serums, if you're using a jade roller, you want to be sure you always get your neck area, because the last thing you want is your face to be nice and tight and your neck droopy. So that just shows you gave a lot of attention to the face and not the neck. We don't want that. So while your skin is still damp, this is when you want to get the anti-aging serum. I have two serums here. This is the anti-aging serum. You want to get it while your face is still damp, not dry. Put about 5 to 6 drops. Don't forget your eye area. Go in an upward motion. Gonna moisturize my lips while I'm at it. Be gentle again around the eyes. Always go up and out. And since I'm doing my face right now, I'm gonna go ahead and just do my jade roller, so I won't have to worry about doing it tonight. I'm not gonna be putting any makeup on, so I don't really have to worry about washing anything off. So the jade roller helps to penetrate the Ageless Glow Serum into the skin. And this serum, although it's an anti-aging serum, it's nice and light and smells really calming. So again, while I'm on live stream, it seems like I'm doing it fast, but if I was off live stream, I would take my time and roll upwards nice and gently with a little pressure where I feel like I'm giving my skin a lymphatic massage at the same time, especially those that has puffiness, extra fluid in their face. You want to take and roll outwards. This area is for the eye, so you go under and roll out, and you want to do that 8 to 10 times. Although I'm doing that because I'm just kind of showing you, but you want to do it 8 to 10 times. You come up here, get your third eye, pull that upwards. Don't miss over your eyebrows. There's a lot of pressure points on your eyebrows. You want to get those because you're kind of giving yourself a massage at the same time as you're using the jade roller to penetrate the serum into your skin but you're also giving yourself a lymphatic massage. You're touching the pressure points. You're pulling into your skin the serum. You're bringing blood circulation to your skin. You're helping to tighten up your pores. And you're helping to keep the muscles of your skin lifted. There's so many benefits to using a jade roller on your face. So if you don't have a jade roller and you need to just use your hands when you're putting the serum, you can just kind of give yourself a little tap massage upwards. Again, under your eyes, you go slowly and outward. Over your eyebrows, you do a little pressure point. Those that have problems falling asleep, this is amazing to relax you. You can even go all the way around. If you want to keep it simple, you can tap the pressure point right under your eyes. If you're having trouble sleeping, this helps to release stress and it helps to calm your system. And after a while, you'll notice that you'll start feeling like you're sleepy. So if you don't have a jade roller, you can simply help to bring blood circulation to your skin by doing little massages like this all over your face. Okay, if you have any questions, again, I posted what I use to do my twist out. I'll probably let my hair go tomorrow so you can see the final result. I may need to kind of blow dry it a little because it feels very wet, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys my face routine for tonight, and I will see you guys soon. If you have any question on your skincare regimen, things that you should use, if you're having issues with clearing your skin from the inside and out, you guys know you can always send me a DM and I will be more than happy to answer your questions for you, okay? You guys have an amazing night. Bye.